Hello everyone, today let us meet a product which restores the plastic trims of your car. You can see I have washed my car yesterday, so the car looks clean, but the plastic parts, especially these black plastic trims, look dull. It looks faded just after 1 year of ownership. I have tried a new product. I have tried it on some parts. You can see this front fender area. I have applied the new product. I have applied it 2 days back. Still it looks shinier and cleaner compared to rest of the plastic trim. Even on the front you can see I have applied the same, so it looks more black and shiny. Now I will introduce the product. This is the product I am talking about. This Mother's Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer. I bought it from Amazon. It cost you around 2000 rupees because it is being imported from US. You can see it is made in USA. Now I will show you how you have to use the product. Please pour a bit of the product onto nice soft cloth material. See, it's nice paste like material. Then dab the cloth onto the plastic area which you wish to clean gently. Be sure that you don't apply it to the painted area. It's not meant for, it's okay if you apply it, you just clean it off. It's not meant for painted surface. It is for plastic trims. You have to apply it liberally. Wait for a few minutes. Apply it thoroughly. Wait for a few minutes. And after that, you have to buff the area with another clean cloth and you will see the results. You can see how the dirt is being removed, and you can see a nice shine being added to. Just the first step. Now you have to wait for some time, and after that you have to buff it with another cloth. Then only you will get the final result. So let's wait. So you can see I have applied the whole plastic trim with the product, and I have cleaned it. I have buffed it with clean cloth. Now you can see the result. Usually car dealers use a petroleum based oily product. Unlike this product will clean the area deep and it adds a shine as well. So it's a really nice product. You can see the water repellent effect now. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support.